people, so this is the finished look of the hair. So I really like this, and you guys know I like bob styles and stuff like that, but this is the first time I've ever done an asymmetrical bob. So this unit is from RPGSHOW.com. Now it does come in like 12 inches right here and about 14 to 16 inches in the front. Now the reason why I really like this unit when they showed it to me was that it is kind of like an ombre style balayage look. So the color is like a number 30, guys, and it comes out and highlights towards the top part right here, and then it slowly trends down into the ombre section, which I really like. I like the fact that it kind of trickles down into the color instead of just coming straight into like an ombre kind of look. I do think they've really improved their coloring skills, because there's some units that I had from them before that were kind of over processed or kind of just not right, but I feel like for the first time that this unit, since I've reviewed with them in a while, that this unit is actually pretty good. I do like the whole entire look of this. It is a yaki texture, which you guys know I love yaki textured units, and this one is definitely one that you definitely want. Now it is a lightweight unit, guys. It's not a really thick density, but it is yaki texture. It is a lace front, not a full lace, so you get about 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space at the top, which is perfect. I was able to do like a nice deep part in it, so therefore it was just perfectly fine. Now as far as styling this hair and kind of like customizing it for myself, I didn't have troubles doing that. It was a really easy wig to do it because it did come pre-plucked. So that's another catch with this company. They always give you like everything ready so that when you get the wig you're not confused and you kind of know what to do. The price is a little bit steeper than usual other companies, but it is customized and it's colored and cut, so kind of like, what do you know what I mean? Like, come on. So I just kind of did like a little bit baby hair magic on the sides in my little swoops. I love doing this in my little side tab here. I do go in and tweeze this area right here just because I need to make it look as skinny as, like, not skinny, skin wise as possible, so it looks like it's growing out of my head. And I did a little bit of baby hairs in the front area around the perimeter, but because that part doesn't really show, it's kind of useless anyways. So guys, I will leave the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this baby from RPGSHOW or any of their other units. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.